Look at that, huh? It looks like, I don't know what that looks like, a friggin' fishing lure.
I bought a car. It's a piece of shit on 4 wheels. My wife hates the fucking car. It leaks oil from all of the fucking seals. The lady across the street is a cunt. She calls the town on me when I work on the fucking car. Welcome to my car show, asshole.
Automatic chokes are for broads. Listen, the reason why we don't have real men in the United States of America anymore is because of the automatic choke. That's right. Men have lost touch with mechanicalness. When you start your engine, you put the choke on. And then you ease it off. It's one of the joys of operating a gasoline engine. So our mission today is to get rid of this automatic choke here and replace it with a manual choke. And we got plenty of holes in the firewall here, and here is the silver bullet. Look at this. This is going to work out great. Oh. Over here we have the right air vent, which is a cable that goes down to our heater box, which doesn't exist anymore. So if I hold this with my knees and we operate the vent, you'll see, look at that. That can open and close a choke. So what we'll do is we'll stuff this in the hole. Which one? This one. This one. Stuff this in the hole. Like that. And as simple as that, we have a choke. Okay. Now the only issue is we have to take all this crap off and get this to work with that. Let's get started. So, first thing we want to do is we want to get this nonsense out of here. That's it. There we are. So the automatic choke has like a bimetallic spring or a Belleville spring. How about that? And what happens is, I think one of two things happen. There's a chimney here that lets warm air, if it's connected, lets warm air from the exhaust manifold come up and warm up the spring, which then opens the choke. It's either that or you connect your ignition over here, and when you turn on the car, this warms up the spring and then eventually opens up the choke. So I guess it's whichever one happens first. But that's it. Then this is the thing we have to move. And I think we can just look at this. It's almost meant to be, guys. I think we could just slip this on here. If we bend that tang up. We bend this tang here. Up and out of the way. There you go. Yes. Yes. Bend that out of the way. And then we slide this on here. Oh my God, that's perfect. That is perfect. You see that? I don't know. Let's do this. I think, well, we have these two screws right here. I'm thinking maybe we can take a piece of angle right here, screw it in here, cut the angle, cut like an ellipse, a half of an ellipse out, and then this could slide it Anyway, let me get a piece of angle out of the shed. Let's see what we got. Let's take the trip together, right? Let's take the trip together. I think we got a piece of aluminum somewhere over here, down here. Look at that, laying on the floor. That should work. We'll take this and we'll cut this about right here. Oh shit. Of course, a lawnmower has to start. Every time I'm out here, I turn on this camera, a lawnmower has to start. All right, so we'll take this and mark where the holes are. This is going to be a lot of back and forth, back and forth. A hole here and a hole here. Okay? Yes. And let's see, because that's not going to fit there, and we're going to have to cut out like this. Right? Cut out like this. So this has room to travel. And remember, we have that big ball end on the end there. That loop of wire, so it has to clear that too. So this has to get cut out. Like that. So to drill these two holes and then cut this down like this. And then we can make it kind of fancy, I guess. And we can shave it like that. And just to make it look less like a piece of angle iron, angle aluminum. And then shave it here. And shave it here. I don't know what that looks like. A fish. Let's get started. Maybe they could start another piece of lawn equipment over there while we're at it. What's the matter, guys? You don't have another blower you can turn on? Look at that, huh? It looks like, I don't know what that looks like, a friggin' fishing lure. Let's get it on here, see if it fits. Hold on, my screwdriver. Here we go. Look at that, look at that. Oh, I'm getting excited. I am getting excited. So now this will go here, and what we'll do is we'll hook up our cable like this. There's our cable, like that. Or do we spin it? No. Our cable goes like this, and then we have to fasten the cable. Let's put it at full extension. We got to put this at full extension so we know what full open choke is. We got it at full open choke, so this goes here and put it to full choke. So we got to drill, we'll drill something right here and right here to hold this. Let's do that right now. Self-tapper. Let's close. All right, we know where it's got to go, so let's close the choke. I don't want any screws jumping down in there. And this will go right here. That's it. Come on, you bitch. Okay. I know. You get the willies seeing all those metal shavings around an engine without an air cleaner. Me too. Okay, throw that down there. We hook this up here. Stick this in. Oh, we gotta be full open. Stick this in here. I like it. Like it. And screw this down to hold the cable. Oh, that cable's not going anywhere. Oh, let's give it a quick test. You ready for this, guys? For the quick test. I like it. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this whole arrangement off. And we're going to file this down so it's nice and smooth. And I might drill one more hole in the back side to hold that wire. There we go. Okay. Now that we know this bracket is going to work, let's just file it down, or file it and sand it and whatnot and make it look pretty. Even though it doesn't have to look pretty. And then we'll bring it back out for the final installment. There she is. I just filed it a little bit. I didn't go bananas. But we'll put this back in. Tighten that up. Cut off cable back. Oh, I forgot one detail here. Look at this. I found a grommet for this hole right here. You ready for this, guys? Look at this. We got a grommet. Put that in here. Look at that. That's professional. I know. I know. Make sure I got full choke on. One right there, and we put one right here. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Guys, look at that. Just like that, we have a choke. You want to see how it works? Let's see if we can put you in a better spot. We put it right here. Right there. Bring it down a little bit. And this will be the first trials. Half choke? No problem. Choke off, choke on. Yes. That's how it's done. That was a very satisfying little project. Guys, if you want an automatic choke, I suggest you get yourself some rouge and some high heels. Maybe even a skirt. But if you want to be a real man, you set up a manual choke. We'll see you next time.